I'm going to show you today how to do the unit circle in literally less than 2 minutes. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is just to write down all the measurements that you need in the unit circle, 30, 45, 60, 90, and we're going to put them in degrees to make them less confusing. And then I want you to write down sine, cosine, and tangent. From there, look how easy we're going to fill this in, and that way you can do the unit circle. The first step is to write down under 30, 45, 60, just the number 1, 2, 3, and then for the cosine, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to divide everything by 2. Finally, just go ahead and write down the square root on the top. And remember, the square root of 1 is just 1. And that's the reason why now you have 30, 45, 60 right there. Let's go ahead and do the tangent. Now remember that the tangent is sine over cosine. That's the reason why if I want the tangent of 30, what I'm going to do is 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2, which when you see it here, I'm going to get 1 over square root of 3. And when I rationalize the denominator, I get a square root of 3 over 3. And that's how you have 30, 45, and 60. Now let's go ahead and find these values. For the values such as 90, 180, 270, and 360, you're going to use the unit circle. Right here, my intersection is 1, 0. Remember this. This is x, y, which is also cosine, sine. And it's in alphabetical order. So it's super easy to know that the cosine of 0 is 1. The sine of 0 is 0. The sine of 360 is 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. Now, if you do the same with 90, then you know that, remember, this is in alphabetical order. The cosine of 90 is 0. The sine of 90 is 1. And you do this with all of them. And let's go ahead and fill that up. Notice how I match the intersections. And then the tangent is just basically sine over cosine, 1 over 0 is undefined. And that's how you fill everything up. And this is how you do the unit circle in less than 2 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and some people might argue, why not to do in the calculator? Well, once you understand how to do the unit circle, and the more you understand the relationship between sine, cosine, and tangent, the easier trigonometry is going to be, and then the easier, the other advanced math are going to be, because you will find trigonometry in calculus, you're going to find them pre-calculus, calculus, and all the way up. So trigonometry is one of the most elegant math because it rhymes, it's beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you become a master in the unit circle.